Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see, they finished off the band ride back on Tuesday. We spent yesterday just, if you ever, want to look at the technical definition of an inside day, there it is. You can see the 9-day, simple moving average getting involved here. Trying to act as support. You can see that today Globex is already inside of that. So it's just kind of, I don't know if it's just kind of consolidating in and around 27.14 to 27.20. You hop over on to the hourly chart, you can see that the bands are coming in. Pretty flat Globex session, right? The issue yesterday was this. Matching lows at weekly pivot. So we'll buy those every time. A couple of spikes down, but those spikes held, turned into a nice little, 17 and a half handle day in the room. It could have been a lot trendier than it was. The bears didn't go away. They continued to push it back, and things, gravitated, initially in and around 14, and then they gravitated in and around, the 20, 22, 24 area. As far as Globex goes, the interesting thing to me is the hourly midband did not hold as support. It is trying to hold as resistance. That tells me that we're very capable this morning of going right back down and testing weekly pivot again. You don't want to see, if you're a bull, this many hours below the midband when you had a perfect opportunity to hold it here, at about 1 a.m. and, we wake up where we left off right around 25. But we haven't woken up where we left off. We've woken up battling on either side of the daily pivot down to 27.18. That tells me that the bears aren't quite dead yet. But remember what I've said all week. The bears are irrelevant, not relevant above the weekly pivot. You can be short, you can make money, and we have this week. But what they're doing is just noise, as long as we continue to be above weekly pivot, and that's exactly how the week is played out. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I am around today. We will get some stuff out on social and go from there. Until then, trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.